I don't like tuna. Me too. Me neither. Listen guys, me too and me neither, they both have the same meaning. The only difference is me too replies to a positive sentence, but me neither replies to a negative sentence. It should have not or n apostrophe t. This sentence has don't with n apostrophe t, so the sentence is negative. So the answer is me neither. We cannot say me too here. I work blank a teacher. I work as a teacher or I work like a teacher. What do we use with work? Well, we always say work as a, then the job here. Work as a teacher, work as a doctor, work as a pilot, and so on. So the answer here is as, not like. I enjoy blank TV. Watch, watching, to watch. The key here is the verb enjoy. Listen guys, enjoy, practice, avoid, mind, keep. These verbs are all followed by ing. We say enjoy watching TV, practice speaking English, avoid smoking inside the house. I don't mind coming with you, keep going. And since we have enjoy here in the sentence, so the answer is watching. So give yourself 1 mark for each one. I got 3 out of 3. What about you? Write your mark in the comments. Thank you for watching.